Have you ever facepalmed yourself because at one point in time you created just one big partition, and now when you want to create another partition on your hard drive you can't because it's already occupied by that partition? Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to shrink existing partitions and create new ones. So what you want to do is you want to go to the Start menu and type in Disk Management and click on the only result, Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Alright, so once you're here, you want to right click on the partition you want to shrink and click on Shrink Volume. And now it's going to be checking for available space to shrink. So the larger your partition is, the longer it's going to take, of course. So just wait. Alright, now once you're here, you're prompted with message saying how much do you want to shrink. So you enter it in over here. So approximately 1000 megabytes is a gigabyte, but that's approximately, that's rounded down slightly. So the larger amount of like megabytes you want to shrink, it's not going to be that exact amount of gigabytes. So if you want to shrink 50,000 megabytes, which is approximately 50,000 megabytes, it's actually not, it's gonna be like around 54 gigabytes instead. So basically what you want to do here is just enter in the amount in megabytes. So let's say you want to shrink it about 25 gigabytes. You would enter 25,000 megabytes and click on shrink or enter if you want. And the larger amount of space you want to shrink, of course, they're going to take a longer time. So just wait for it. Alright, now once it's done, you're going to have some unallocated space, which is the amount of space that you shrunk from the partition you shrunk from. So what you want to do is right click on the unallocated space and click on New Simple Volume. And then the New Simple Volume wizard pops up. Click on Next. And this is the amount of space in megabytes that you want the new partition to be. So let's say you just want it to be the exact size of the unallocated space. You just click on Next, or you can specify it if you want, and you just click on Next. And then you assign the drive letter. It can be any letter that's not already occupied. And over here, it says format it. You can format FAT32 or NTFS. FAT32 files can only be up to 4 gigabytes, and I would just go with the default for allocation unit size. Enter the volume for this. I'm just gonna keep it new volume and click on Next. Click on Finish, and it's gonna format it and create a brand new partition. And now you can do whatever you want with it. And that was how to shrink and create new partitions. Rate, comment, and subscribe.